So the World Health Organization has evidence that suggests that pregnant women with COVID-19 are at a higher risk of developing severe illnesses compared to non-pregnant women of reproductive age. And as a result, they are urging pregnant, expecting mothers to get vaccinated. Here with us this morning are the Director of Family Health at the Ministry of Health and Wellness, Dr. Melody Ennis, and mom-to-be, Karine Cox. Welcome to Smile to you both, and congrats, Miss Karine. Hope you both are all right. Let me start with the doctor. So, Doc, I think everyone would want to know if there are any things that could happen to a mom-to-be if she's vaccinated. Explain that to me, please.
Good morning, everyone. Hi, Miss Cox.
Hi, morning.
There is absolutely no evidence to suggest that there will be anything untoward that happens to mom-to-be, if she takes the vaccine. Actually, it is of benefit to mom and to the baby. Remember what vaccines do. Vaccines allow our bodies to be primed to be able to make germ-fighting tools that we call antibodies. Now, these antibodies are powerful, they have a memory, and when the real stuff comes in, they're able to hit and hit hard, keeping us well. Now, these antibodies cross over into the placenta to protect baby. These antibodies cross over into the breast milk to protect the baby on the breast. And therefore, the benefits of taking the vaccine, not only to mommy, but also to the baby, cannot be overemphasized.
Okay, I'm not even certain this question makes sense, but because some of us don't have side effects. I got 2 shots and I didn't even know I got one. Would the side effects be different for a pregnant mom, for a pregnant person?
No, their side effects pretty much are the same. So we have the usual run-of-the-mill side effects, the flu-like illness, the cough, the runny nose. Some persons will get pain at the injection site. They will get some dizziness, some vomiting, and persons just feel very tired. They just want to sleep. Those are normal run-of-the-mill symptoms.
Okay.
Now, pregnant women get the same sort of things. However, because they have, for example, depending on where the stage of the pregnancy, they may get more, abdominal pain, abdominal discomfort, maybe a little more in mommy. Again, depending on the stage of the pregnancy, with reduced lung capacity, might get more of the flu-like symptoms, but they're pretty much the same that they would get as persons in the normal population.
Okay. Karine, morning again. In preparing for this, it suggests that you did take the vaccine, right?
I did.
2 shots?
Yes.
Tell me how you thought before you took it. Were you concerned? Was there any time you said, boy, I'm going to take this, I'm not too certain about this? Well, how did you feel?
Well, actually, when I got the first shots, I wasn't pregnant.
Okay.
I was, concerned about protecting myself during a pandemic. So getting the first shot was fine, and I had the normal side effects, the pain at the injection sites, and I had chills, and I was very tired for the first day.
Right.
By the time the second shot came around, which was around July, I think I was around 14 or 15 weeks pregnant. And I wasn't concerned. My doctor told me, she encouraged me to get it. I was still thinking along the same veins as I wanted to protect myself and my child. And I took the vaccine, got the shots, and I actually didn't have any side effects at all. I had more side effects from the first shot than from the second shot.
Yeah. All of us here, some folks are saying, no, don't take it. Whether you're pregnant or not, don't take it. But was there any thought at all that, boy, I'm not going to take this second shot because I'm pregnant?
No, not at all. I wanted to follow through on what I had started. I believe in vaccines, and I believe in the science. So for me, it was an easy decision.
Fantastic. Doc, explain preterm birth.
So, before I go to that point, I have to jump in right here and speak to the business of infertility, because there is this notion that if you take the vaccine, you won't be able to get pregnant. Now, Miss Cox is living example right here in Jamaica. She said what? She wasn't pregnant when she took the first dose. So the first dose did not have any impact at all on her fertility. She was able to get pregnant, which is what we're telling persons. Look at the evidence, look at persons around us. All right, Neville, now to your question. What was
what is preterm? What is preterm birth?
So preterm birth is what is said when a baby is born before time. So you have a certain amount of time. We know it as 9 months that you stay in mommy to mature as best as you can, having good lung function. So when you come out, you have that nice cry and you are well. If you are preterm, then you are born before you are fully developed and ready for the world.
So it's the same thing when we say premature.
Premature, same thing. You come out before time. You're really anxious to get into this world.
Yeah. The other thing, Doc, is we have what? We have Pfizer, we have J&J, we have AstraZeneca. Is there one that's better for a pregnant person, or they all do the same thing?
Absolutely not. They all do the same thing, which is the generation or allow for the generation of antibodies. And that is what we want, to protect mommy, to protect baby.
So it doesn't matter. Someone might say, well, I'll just take the J&J, which is a 1 shot, as opposed to the 2 shot. Might be easier for me to take the 1 shot. You wouldn't suggest that to any mom to be.
Remember what you're to take, Neville. Remember what you're to take. You're to take the vaccine that is available. That is the one that is safe. That is the one that is effective. We have those vaccines here. So whichever site you go and it is being offered, of course, you may have a preference. But from a medical standpoint, we're not going to say one is better because they're all the same, doing the same thing.
Yeah. Mommy, when are you due?
January 8th.
January 8th. That's soon come.
I know.
That mean you're sad or you're happy say it soon come?
I'm happy because I'm at the stage now where I'm just over all the symptoms of pregnancy and what it comes with.
Yeah.
So I am looking forward to just getting my body back.
Yeah,
but like any first time mom, I'm a little bit nervous of what's to come.
You'll be fine. Boy or girl?
We're going to be revealing it, the spirits of the current traditions this weekend. So I don't want to reveal it on national TV.
How about that, man? Tell me now, make me bust it for the world.
Secrets.
Good luck. You're going to be fine. Good luck. And I think you probably have made a lot of moms a lot more relaxed this morning, both you and Dr. Melody. I think you've explained it beautifully. I pray that all will be well. I know all will be well. And then you can send us a message and make a bust it and say, yeah, him name Neville. All right?
I will let you know.
God bless you both. Look after yourself. Take care.
Thank you.
Bye.
Man. Director of Family Health at the Ministry of Health and Wellness, Dr. Melody Ennis, and our second guest, mother-to-be, Karine Cox. What do you think? Boy or girl? What do you think? Nobody not pay me no mind. Me say boy. Still to come, we discuss pregnant larceny in Jamaica. But first, here's the second edition of News in 5.